how to enable or disable automatically remove unwanted objects in scanned documents and text on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Now in here, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Then we go down and tap on scan documents and text. Now make sure scan documents and text is turned on. Then go down and tap on remove unwanted objects. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it said that automatically remove fingers from the frame when scanning documents. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key to return back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.